Hi, my name is Soren Westwood with Westwood Design here in Cabo San Lucas, and today I'm going to be talking about the veneers that we'll be using at the project Hillside. Now, veneers are thin slices of wood that come off of logs, and they are cut at about a 32nd of an inch, so they're very thin. These come in different packs of around 32 pieces, and you have options on how you glue these pieces to the plywood. These three different methods are slip match, which is like sliding playing cards off to the side, and you would glue those together in that form. There is book match, which is like opening up a book, and that would create a little bit more of a figure. And then there is a mixed match. Now, this is actually grabbing from possibly 10 different packs of the veneers, and then you would put those together in a fashion that makes it mimic more of a solid wood construction. So, with this project, the Hillside project, we will be talking about rift wood. Now, there are two cuts that we will be talking about too, I want to add. There is a rift cut, which is very linear, and then there is what is called a half crown. Now, half crown would include a little bit of the rift with a little bit of crown, and that is figuring in the wood. So, to get started, I want to specifically talk about oak. Now, oak, if you look at these sheets we have here, these are rift cut slip match oak. So if you look closely here, you can see like this repeating fashion here. This is actually a tree, it's repeating itself because it's cut so thin. Now, even when we go to slip match, this works very good with the rift oak that we select because it gives a very linear motion. There would not be much reason to do a book match with this because the figures would be very similar to the slip match, but they're actually not going to have as linear a look as we're trying to accomplish with this. So, also to point out, this is an important one, and I've heard questions about this. If you step back and you look at these two, they look similar, but when we start working with them, they're actually very different. If you come in here close, the spread on this, come on in close. If you notice the width between these grains here, this is about 3/16, a quarter inch. So this particular one's getting very wide. This one here, you can see that it's very tight grain. Okay? Now, we're very fortunate. We work with a company called Oyosa out of Mexico City. They allow me to go over and select these. So we may see some of this wider grain inside some cabinetry or on some drawers or something, but we're picking out this very tight grain oak for what would be the fronts or the faces of the cabinets, the doors and the drawers. Okay? So that is oak, and this is a very tight grain rift oak, so don't forget that. And this is when anything that you're looking at in the catalog for the Hillside project, this is what we're working with, okay? So oak, and this is where you need to know your customer and what their needs are, because this is a white oak, and here now we're getting into half crown. Specifically here, see, this is one veneer right here. And here we have some rift, but we also have some figuring going on, which is the half crown. And this particular board that you're looking at, if you step back and look at it, this is a mixed match. You can see that I've selected out from 10 different packs of wood, and I've laid them in such a way with the crowns pointing in different directions. So this is going to give you more of a solid wood construction feel to it. Okay? So moving on, we have three other woods we're going to be looking at. Parota, which is a local in the country, not close to us, but Parota is a Mexican wood. And here again, you'll see two. We have a mixed match, which is very favorable for the Parota. And we have a book match. See the figuring going on here? This piece is pretty exaggerated. I wish I had a better piece for us to look at. But this really does point out or demonstrate what book match is. You can actually see that they're book match, and this will go repeating. What's great about this and the company that we work with, we get to go and select out through lots of veneer, and we can get all of a kitchen out of one to three packs of wood, so you really get consistency throughout the kitchens and throughout the house. Here, this is a walnut that we're using, and this is a great example of book match right here. Okay. Now, when I went to select it, this is Rift book match. So I have looked for the walnut with the straightest grains that I can, and even though there is very, very straight, when you start to open them up, they start to create these figures. And actually, the Perota that we select is pretty close to this as far as the visual part of it, but the walnut obviously has a more northern, it's a northern tree as opposed to the Perota, which is a tropical tree, so they're definitely different. But the grain setup for our Perota is more closer to this piece that I'm showing you. Now, some advice that I would give, oh, we got one more piece of wood to look at here. We also have another one. This is an espresso. You'll see that in the catalog. And this espresso is actually on something that's called reconstituted wood. It is not a composite by any means. What it is they peel off logs, stack them into a huge cube, and then start reslicing just like other veneers, giving this great straight. So if you come in on this, it's a very linear rift look that you have to it. But it actually, as you look at it, you can see the compression marks of the different thicknesses of the veneer. So it is a very nice product if you're looking for something very modern. And this also, this is stained. This is the color we're offering here. But just to give you an idea of what the reconstituted wood is, before they stack in those big cubes, they can actually put these in big vats and dye the wood, as you can see in this piece. And so there's really no staining involved in it. It's the color through and through. So you would just put a sealer on it. So very important, unless you specify otherwise, the rift oak will always be slip match. Okay? The reconstituted is only one figure. It is a rift. Okay? The Perota will be book match, and the walnut will also be book match, unless you specify otherwise. Okay? The other possibilities are acceptable, and we can do these. If your customer, if you would like something very linear, but you want a walnut color, this is the closest that you're going to get to very, very linear. Okay? It is very modern. We're selecting it very tight grains, as close as we get, minimal on the figuring, but we're still going to get some figuring in these. Okay? So if you really want to have a modern, linear look, your first would definitely be on my suggestion. You definitely would want to go with the reconstituted woods. And then your next step would be moving over to the rift oak with a slip match, with the slip match. Okay. Down here we have some of the colors laid out. You can do a lot with these. Of course, we're offering. You have the colors in front of you. I don't know the quantity off the top of my head. I know this is one of our colors. Here's our oak with stained up. And then our Perota, this is the color that we're offering for the Perota. So you can see the natural over to the stain. It's a big difference. And then here are, these two are the same color of our walnut. So I really hope that this has been helpful. We are always available for any questions that you might have. And if you would like another video of this nature explaining something for your use, I'm very happy to help out. So thank you for watching. Bye.